Let's learn 5 idioms with sweets and desserts, with meaning and examples. Firstly, a stud muffin. This means a fit or an attractive man. For example, look at that stud muffin. Next is as nutty as a fruitcake. This means someone is crazy or completely mad. For example, people say I'm as nutty as a fruitcake. Cowardy custard. This means someone is a coward or a wimp. For example, come on, don't be a cowardy custard. Sugarcoat. This means to make something seem more pleasant. For example, Alex didn't get the main part because he's too ugly. You could have sugarcoated that. And finally, that's the way the cookie crumbles. This means that's how it is. You must accept the situation. For example, he dumped me. That's the way the cookie crumbles. Now you must eat something. Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more idioms and expressions.